Okay, so I just received the item and this button did not look right. It's definitely a defect item, and when I press the button, sometimes it pressed, you see, and sometimes it did not. I think it's there's something wrong with the button. Also, on the same unit, the inner part had some manufacturing issue or something. It's scratched. Hopefully you can see it. It's scratched right here, and it says we have some weird place that do not have the black coating on it. It just
Okay, here's my review of that KitchenAid 6-quart slow cooker that cooks deemed the winner. And I bought one, and it's right here. And then, go ahead. As you can see, the lid wobbles back and forth. There's at least a 1/4 inch, 3/16 gap. Here, hold the camera. See? And so Amazon sent me another one. This is the new one. Another.
This item was yesterday when it arrived. It's Wednesday. Christmas is Sunday. I ordered this so I could prepare part of my Christmas dinner in it, and I'm not at all pleased with the item. It does not fit. I want you to watch how this rocks in here. It doesn't sit in there. It doesn't matter which way. If I turn it,
the top does not sit evenly. It's like the top seems not made right for the thing. So you're not going to ever get a good seal. See that crack in it? It just doesn't fit good.
it's not flush. It's wobbly. It's loose. Like, I don't know what you're trying to sell me.